we back with the interception. I'm here with
Rochford.
Alright, what was your mentality going into the game knowing that both teams are on top of the league?
Knowing before the game it was going to be a tough game. You know, there's a team that never lost a competitive game before since they started playing. You know, so we see it as an opportunity to break that streak. Being on top of the table, it was a must-win to stay on top of the table. You know, given that there's a possibility, if we didn't, they had a chance of catching us or even going on top of us. So we saw it as a must-win game, so that we could stay on top of the table, open up the gap on the teams below us.
And did you find the preparation throughout the week benefited today?
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, the coaches did what they had to do. You know, we developed the game plan around the way that they played. We did what we had to do in the sessions before. You know, we didn't gain as much work as we wanted to, but the information from the coaches sufficed, and it was good enough to apply to the game, come to victory.
And any personal goals going forward for the rest of the season?
I feel like it'll be the same as before. Try to impact the game as much as possible. Overall, make sure the team wins, but personally, just get goals, get assists. Try to impact the game as much as possible. Yeah. What
is the team goal going forward for the rest of the season?
As all the other teams, to finish first in the league. We have 2 CONCACAF spots vying to be taken. So, we want to be one of those teams. So we're in a good place right now going forward. So once we continue winning, continue doing what we've been doing, we'll be in a good place there.
Hey, thanks for sliding into another episode of The Interception. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We out.